Okay, hi everyone. This is the second try of this video. This is going to be a real short video on the lupus rash. I want to show you on the back of my head. Again, this is the not so pretty side of lupus. The cold sores in my nose and you can see on my lip are healing, and inside my mouth. But the back of my head's been hurting for about a week, stinging and burning. And finally, my husband cut some of the hair away so we could see what was going on back there, and it's really disgusting gross. There's what could be probably a lesion back there or shingles. I'm not sure which yet, but at the end of this video I'll put the pictures that we took of it, and so maybe you can tell me what it is. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day. Peace out.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling.